I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Wherever you are in the world right now, whatever time it is, I want you to pause for just a second and breathe this in with me. We made it. We're here, together. This year has been a lot. For some of us, it's been beautiful. For others, it's been brutally hard. For most of us, it's been some messy mix of both, but right now, just for a few minutes, I want to step into this moment with you and wrap it in light, in warmth, and in gratitude. So, from my heart to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. If you're watching this with family, maybe you're squeezed on a couch with someone's elbow in your ribs, the tree glowing in the corner, wrapping paper crumpled on the floor, the smell of food drifting from the kitchen. Look around for a second. These are the seconds you remember later. Not the perfect photos, not the staged smiles, but the little, chaotic, real moments like this. If you're watching alone right now, maybe on your phone in a quiet room, maybe in a different city from the people you love, I see you too. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You matter just as much in this moment as any crowded living room full of noise and laughter. And in a very real way, you're with us right now. We are together in this moment. Christmas and the holidays can bring up so many feelings. Joy, nostalgia, grief, hope, regret, love. Sometimes all in the same day, all in the same hour. Maybe you lost someone this year and the empty chair at the table hurts more than you can explain. Maybe you're missing home, missing your kids, missing your parents, missing the way things used to be. Maybe you're looking around and thinking, this didn't turn out the way I imagined. If that's you, I want you to hear this as clearly as you can. You are allowed to feel everything you feel. You don't have to fake a smile for anyone. You don't have to pretend this season is perfect. The beauty of this time is not that everything is flawless. The beauty is that even in our mess, our uncertainty, our broken pieces, we still reach for each other. We still cook the meals, send the messages, make the calls, buy the small gifts, share the stories, light the candles, say the prayers, play the music. We still show up. That is so powerful. So today, wherever you are, I want to say thank you. Thank you to the parents who are exhausted but still trying to make it magical for their kids. To the single parents doing the job of 2 or 3 people and still finding the strength to wrap gifts late at night. To the grandparents who are the quiet, steady hearts of the family. To the siblings who share inside jokes over group chats. To the friends who become family when blood family is far or complicated. To the people working today, nurses, doctors, drivers, retail workers, first responders, delivery folks, people keeping the lights on and the world running, thank you. While others rest, you serve. You are appreciated more than you know. And to you, listening right now, maybe thinking you didn't do enough this year. Maybe you're scrolling through social media, comparing your real life to everyone else's highlight reel. Let me say this clearly. You made it through your hardest days. You woke up on mornings that felt heavy, and you kept going anyway. You loved people the best way you knew how. You tried, and that matters more than any perfect picture ever could. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to the people who feel behind, to the people who feel stuck, to the people who feel like they're starting over. You are not behind. You are exactly where your story is supposed to be right now. The chapter you're in might be hard, but it is not the whole book. This season, I hope you give yourself one gift, the gift of gentleness. Be gentle with how you speak to yourself. Be gentle with the expectations you carry. Be gentle with the old memories that hurt and the new memories you're trying to create. If all you did today was get out of bed, you're doing okay. If all you did today was send a single text that said, thinking of you, you're doing okay. If all you did was press play on this video because you needed to hear a human voice say, you're not alone, you're doing more than you think. This time of year, we talk a lot about gifts. The gifts we give, the gifts we get, the gifts we wish we could afford. But the greatest gifts are rarely wrapped. The greatest gifts are the hugs that linger a second longer, the late-night conversations in dim kitchens, the shared laughter over nothing at all, the apology that heals an old wound, the forgiveness that frees both people, the text that says, I love you, for the first time in a long time, the quiet peace of knowing that, in this moment, you are enough. So, if you can, I want you to do something. Think of one person you're grateful for right now. See their face in your mind. Maybe it's family, maybe it's a friend, maybe it's a teacher, a mentor, a coworker, or even someone who's no longer here. Hold them in your heart for a second. Now, if they're still in your life, I want you to reach out to them today. Call them, text them, send a voice note, let them know they matter to you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. This is the moment. And if the person you thought of is no longer here, I want you to honor them by living in a way they'd be proud of. Smile at a stranger. Be kind to someone who can't give you anything back. Show the same love they showed you to someone who needs it now. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to the people who are rebuilding, to the people healing from heartbreak, to the people stepping away from toxic situations and choosing peace, even when it's lonely. I'm proud of you, even if no one has said that to you yet this year. This season has a way of reminding us what truly matters. We chase so many things all year: money, status, likes, achievements, approval. But at the end of the day, what we crave most is simple: to be seen, to be loved, to belong. So I want you to hear this. You are worthy of love exactly as you are right now. Not when you lose the weight, not when you get the job, not when you finally feel fixed or ready or successful. You are worthy now, imperfect, in progress, still figuring it out. You are enough. If you're someone who celebrates Christmas spiritually, I hope you feel close to that deep, quiet sense of hope. The idea that light can be born right in the middle of darkness. If you celebrate in a cultural way, with food and songs and traditions, I hope your home is filled with warmth and laughter. If you don't celebrate Christmas at all, but you're just here for the vibe, for the end-of-year reflection, for the sense of togetherness, I'm glad you're here too. You're part of this. Let this season be a reset. Not a pressure-filled list of resolutions you'll forget by February, but a gentle reset of what matters to you. Ask yourself, what do I actually want to feel next year? Who do I want to grow closer to? What parts of myself do I want to nourish instead of neglect? What tiny habits could I start, not to impress anyone else, but to take care of my own heart, my own mind, my own body? The world can be a heavy place. We see headlines that make us feel small and helpless, but you are not powerless. Every small act of kindness you choose is a rebellion against the darkness. When you check on a friend, when you donate even a little, when you listen instead of judge, when you choose patience over anger, when you put your phone down and really, truly listen to the person in front of you, those things matter. They ripple out in ways you may never see. So this Christmas, this holiday season, I'm asking you to be a light. Not a perfect light, not a blinding, overwhelming light, just a small, steady one. The kind of light that says, you're safe here, you're seen here, you're welcome here. Imagine if everyone watching this decided to be that light in just one person's life. One person. Think about how many hearts would feel a little less alone tonight. If you're listening to this and thinking, that sounds nice, but I don't have much to give, I want you to know this. Your presence is a gift. Your story is a gift. Your unique way of seeing the world is a gift. You are not behind anyone. You're on your own path. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to the overthinkers who replay conversations in their heads, to the introverts who need a break after too many gatherings, to the extroverts who bring life to every room they enter, to the people far from home, to the students stressing about the future, to the workers wondering if any of this will pay off, to the dreamers who still believe there's beauty ahead. I'm cheering for you. As this year comes to a close, I hope you find a quiet moment just for you. Maybe it's late at night when everyone else is asleep. Maybe it's early in the morning before the world wakes up. Maybe it's a short walk outside in the cold air or a warm shower where the water drowns out all the noise. In that moment, I hope you can place your hand over your heart and feel it beating. That steady rhythm, still going after everything you've been through. That alone is a miracle. You are here, you are alive. You still have chapters to write. So from me to you, thank you for being here. Thank you for making it through your hardest days. Thank you for the love you've given to others, even when you felt empty. Thank you for the times you chose kindness when it would have been easier not to. May your Christmas be filled with small, honest moments of joy. May your holidays bring you at least one deep laugh that makes your stomach hurt. May you taste something delicious, hear a song that moves you, see a sky that reminds you the world is still beautiful. May you feel, even for a second, truly, deeply at peace. And if this season is more quiet than you wanted, more complicated than you hoped, or more painful than you expected, I pray that you still feel held. Held by memories, held by the people who love you, held by the hope that better days can still be ahead. So, wherever you are, on a couch, on a bus, in a car, in bed, at work, on a walk, in a crowded house or an empty room, this message is for you. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, you are loved, you matter. And the world is better with you in it